Hey guys, welcome to the new session of Go programming language. Go is one of the most promising language around the world nowadays. So guys, in this course we're gonna learn about Go, and this course is designed for both beginner and intermediate. This is all about content of this course. We're gonna discuss about Go, why we are using Go, who uses Go, what is the benefit of using Go, and then we'll start with a small hello world program, then all the necessary things of a programming language called variables, constant and type. Then we're gonna discuss about function, conditions, if else, loop, arrays, which is very important, and slices, maps, struct, interface, concurrency, channels, and Go routines. And there is a bonus sections. So guys, this course designed for beginner and intermediate. We're gonna cover a lot of real-time use cases and a lot of small project. And once we complete this course, we will build an API and we design another courses that is for web applications. So guys, before that we have to complete all the courses. So you guys drive with me with a beautiful journey of Go programming language.